Hello everyone, welcome to zincyue Aluminum Manufacturing Factory. We are a professional aluminum furniture accessories manufacturer and supplier dedicated to providing you with high-quality aluminum products and furniture fitting solutions. Whether it's for domestic or commercial use, we can meet your needs. We have one-stop equipment, 8 kinds of technology for aluminum, and an 15 years experienced technical team to ensure that every product meets high standards. Our product ensures that every 5 packaging workers are equipped with one quality inspector for 100% quality inspection throughout the process, and we continuously provide training to improve efficiency. Whether you need mass production or customized service, we can meet your requirements. We produce a wide range of products for a wide range of applications, including aluminum and aluminum profiles of various specifications, aluminum wardrobes, aluminum shelf and other furniture, aluminum handles with embedded and exposed handles, aluminum skirting boards, metal closets, and so on, all of which are higher quality aluminum furniture accessories with both functionality and aesthetics. You can rest assured that from product development to delivery and shipment, we are always focused on the needs of our customers to ensure that you get the best service experience. We offer OEM services, wholesale services, customized services, and flexible delivery options to meet your needs. zincyue is a trusted manufacturer of aluminum furniture accessories, both in terms of product quality and service level. We can help you achieve better furniture design and production. Thank you for watching. zincyue specializes in high-quality aluminum furniture accessories production and quality service. Please remember to subscribe our channel for more product and service information. We look forward to seeing you next time.